What's going on YouTube? MOT here. So in this video we will be testing if the Elephone U Pro has any spyware or malware applications installed. Now I have installed 3 very popular anti-spyware or malware applications on this phone. The first one is the Kaspersky, the second one is the anti-spyware, and the third one is the Malwarebytes. Let's get started with the Kaspersky. And I'm going to do a full scan. And as you can see, the Elephone U Pro has no threats detected. Now I'm going to run the anti-spyware. Let's get the scan started. And it looks like the incognito app did not detect any kind of commercial spyware products either. So I'm going to run the Malwarebytes now. This scan seems to be a bit slower than what I expected. So it looks like it did detect one threat, however that thing was installed by me, the King root. And this completes the spyware or malware test, and looks like the phone does not has any spyware or malware applications factory installed by Elephone. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.